Hey guys, I hope you're still doing well. We are on to our math lesson today. I'm very excited because we are doing something super duper big, kid. Let me show this to you. We have 3 story problems all on the front side of our math page. And so the front side of our sheet is actually our lesson today because we haven't had math problems quite like this yet. Do you remember how you just did a story problem that you solved recently, right? And you had one story problem on the front of the page and then another one on the back. Well, now they've said, hey, these kindergartners, they are so grown up. So now they're doing 3 all on the front side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and read our first problem. You'll notice that for the problems, they did letters. So there's problem A, problem B, and problem C. See that? So problem A says this. Tanya has 2 yellow balloons and 1 red balloon. Draw the balloons. How many balloons does Tanya have all together? Okay, we had that special word all together. This is an adding story problem. We're getting more, right? Because Tanya had 2 yellow balloons and 1 red balloon. You guys already are great at listening to the important things in story problems, right? So you probably already heard that our important things are that Tanya has 2 yellow balloons and 1 red balloon, right? So we're going to go ahead and solve that problem. So I pulled out my markers here. I'm going to do a red balloon, it said, and it said 2 yellow balloons. So I'm drawing what it said because we talked about how we have to show our work, right? We need to show our work in math. So Tanya has 2 yellow balloons and 1 red balloon. Am I good so far? Awesome. Draw the balloons. We got it. How many balloons does Tanya have all together? You might have even done this in your head. How many does she have all together? She has 3, right? Good job. So now we're going to do one more big kid thing. This part we're going to do in pencil. I'm going to use my marker just so you can see it a little better. But down at the very bottom of our problem here, we're going to write the answer, okay? So we said that there's 3. But guess what? I'm not just going to stop with 3. We have to have a label, don't we? Remember how when we're talking about money, we always use the cent signs, right? We need as a label here as well. 3 what? 3 balloons. So I'm going to give you 2 different ways that you can do this, okay? You could be super big kid. Find the word balloons in your story problem. You could even underline it, right? And then you could copy it down. And they're showing you just how to spell it. So here's one way that you could write it. 3 balloons. Okay, I'm going to show you one more way. So I'm going to put a little slash here, like this. You just choose one way, but I'm going to show you another way. So you start by writing 3 again. And instead of writing the word balloon, you could draw a symbol of a balloon, similar to what we just did there, right? So I could go like this, 3 balloons. Like that. So you can either write it like this or you can write it like that. I'll let you choose, okay? And then you are going to do that for each of our story problems here. These are all adding story problems, so we will be getting more. We're adding more. Your parents can check that for you when you are all finished. Please don't forget that you are going to write the answer on the bottom line. So you'll do that here and here. Let's go ahead and look at the back side real quickly. We are going to be labeling our coins. So we have penny, nickel, dime, quarter. They're actually going in order of how much they're worth, right? 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. So just like we've been practicing all year, friends, we are going to label our coins, right? And we're going to count up as we do that. So see, look here on our pennies. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. We're not going to say 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. I want you to count forward. Okay, so 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents. 3 cents altogether. I'm going to write a 3 on the line. They already have a giant cent sign there for us. Whoops. So we don't need to worry about doing that. Okay, and then I'm going to hop over to my nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So we'll count by fives. 5, 10, 15. Notice how I counted forward, right? 5, 10, 15. Then I can write my 15 cents on the line, right? Okay. I am not going to do the rest because I think you guys got the picture. So you label your dimes counting by tens and then label your 1/4 worth 25 cents. Sound good? Awesome. Enjoy doing your big kid story problems and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.